Hey everyone, so I'm going to start a new video series. I'm talking to the camera. I don't know if it's recording or not. I'm using this game mode function, but I usually don't turn the camera on. So I have no idea if you're just seeing my screen, which I wanted to be visible, or if you're seeing me as well. At any rate, so I do mostly WordPress websites for individuals, smaller companies, organizations. There are a ton of options. They're called themes, and basically it's a look and a feel of a website. So I'm going to walk through. If you look over here, I'm in the theme area. If you have a WordPress site, this is your left. This is not the admin dashboard. If you wanted admin dashboard, you would click here, admin. I'll show it to you just so you can see what it looks like. This is more tools and things, but we don't need that to look at themes. So we're gonna come over here and look at themes. And let's do, I'm gonna pick one that I have not, it doesn't look familiar to me. And I'm gonna walk you through what this looks like. So this is called Lodestar. Depending on the type of plan you already have, some of these are free, some of them you have to pay for. If you have a premium plan, I think a lot of them are included. If you don't have a premium business plan, you would need to pay. So it's usually anywhere from like say $50 to $125 for that theme. So if you find one that you like but it costs money, make sure you want it before you pay that. So here it gives you the look for the desktop, the cell phone, and then like a tablet view. This is a one-page Parallax theme. It says small business ventures and startups. It lets you put your posts if you're a blog post. You can add panels. So here, let's go ahead and open up the live demo. This says be your menus up here. So you've got your cool, like a featured image, and then this is like this cool scrolling theme. Woo. The content of your static front page is displayed here. It's like call to action. That's kind of cool. This is a nice, I like it. It's got your about, services, branding, another neat picture. I do like this. If you like the one page scrolling design, this is nice. And then you've got your social links down at the bottom. The only thing I would say I don't like about this is I don't see the social links up at the top. I tend to like those up at the top. There's probably a way to put them in there. I don't know because I have not used this, but if you click through one of these, it's going to show you what a second level page would look like. And then again, it's just this is all just images that they have. And it's more scrolling. This is cool. You can put tags on here. Tags for WordPress. I do a couple of blogs. I do 3 or 4 blogs actually for different. I have a travel one. I have a Minecraft one for my kids gaming. But I get traffic through to either my website or my blogs when you tag them. It's very important. It's kind of cool. It'll get you additional traffic. So that's a free tip, free fun fact for all of you. Here's another one. I just clicked on praise, which would be like testimonials. This is cool. They have the pictures and everything. You can put a picture. All right, so that's it. That is I'm going to go ahead and close. Well, before I do, let's look at the phone version of this real quick. This is what it would look like on the phone. Menu, home. So that's a really cool theme. I like it. As always, if you need a website and you like WordPress, definitely reach out to me. Contact me. Either comment, if you're watching this on YouTube, comment down below. Or you can go, if you're on my YouTube, there should be somewhere on my profile, there should be a business email, I believe there is. Or you can go to my website, lesliwebdesign.com, Lesli webdesign.com, and I will put a link. I always put a link in the description as well. So like and subscribe if you're interested in WordPress themes. I don't necessarily do a whole lot of tutorials on this website or this YouTube channel. I might start, I don't know. But I am starting this new thing where I want to walk through and show the live demo of different WordPress themes because they have a lot of stuff. It's pretty cool. WordPress is good for analytics. It costs a little bit more, but it's good for analytics and traffic, driving traffic to your site. I tend to prefer their blog software as opposed to some of the other blogging sites. So go ahead and subscribe and hit the little notification bell if you want to get notifications when I put up another WordPress video or any other videos. I do client videos that clients have come to me and paid me to make video promos for them. I also do my travel vlogs on this channel as well. So have a great day. Thanks for watching.